In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer list in QuickBooks Online. This is an essential skill for managing your business finances, as it helps you keep track of all your customer interactions and transactions. Let's dive right in. The first step is to log into QuickBooks Online. Open your web browser and head over to the intuitive website at qbo.intuit.com. Once you're there, enter your login credentials to access your QuickBooks account. This will take you directly to your dashboard where the magic begins. Once logged in, the next thing you'll want to do is to navigate to Sales and then to Customers. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll see a menu. From this menu, go ahead and click on Sales. A drop-down will appear. Select Customers from this list. This will redirect you to the Customers page where you can view and manage your existing customer list if you have one, or start building a new list if you're just getting started. Now, to add a new customer, look for the option that says New Customer, or sometimes it might read Add Customer. Click on this. This action will prompt a new window to open where you can enter your customer's details. It's crucial to enter this information accurately, as it sets the foundation for all future transactions with this customer. Let's walk through the information you'll need to fill in for each new customer. Start with the customer's name. This could be an individual's name or a business name depending on who you're dealing with. If it's applicable, you can also enter the company name, though this field is optional. An email address is essential because it allows you to communicate efficiently with your customer and send invoices or receipts directly from QuickBooks. Next, you'll input the customer's phone number. This will ensure that you can reach them for any urgent queries or updates. The billing address is also important, especially if you're dealing with physical goods that require shipping. Make sure to get the correct and complete address to prevent any delivery issues. Lastly, you'll find a section for other notes or terms. This is optional but can be incredibly helpful for adding any specific details about payment terms, preferred contact method, or anything else that will help you manage your relationship with that particular customer. Once all the necessary information has been entered, click on Save to add the customer to your list. You'll need to repeat these steps for every additional customer you want to include. It might be a bit of a task initially, but it's essential for maintaining an organized customer database and will save you lots of time in the long run. If at any point you need to have a copy of your customer list outside of QuickBooks, maybe for backup or reporting purposes, there's an option for that too. Locate the Export to Excel button, click it, and follow the prompts. This will download a spreadsheet of your complete customer list, providing you with an invaluable offline reference. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to create and manage a customer list in QuickBooks Online, setting a solid foundation for efficient and effective customer relationship management.